Hello everyone, I am Vidyamika, a final year MTech data science student at KCT. My project title is Medical Image Security and Anomaly Detection. With the shift to electronic medical records, the volume and precision of 2D and 3D medical images have grown, often containing annotated sensitive patient details like phone number, date of birth, etc. This raises the need to protect these images from tampering to avoid misdiagnosis and improper patient care. Regulations like HIPAA, GDPR, and India's Digital Personal Data Protection Act were formed to address this need by mandating the healthcare organizations to establish robust security frameworks to prevent fraud, cyber attacks, and data breaches. This has increased the demand for both medical image security and anomaly detection, forming the core of my project. Existing security methods focus on four major techniques. First is watermarking that embeds watermarks in images but often distorts image quality and remain vulnerable to cropping and filtering. Second is stenography that replaces critical image pixels with chosen cover image pixels but compromise quality. Cryptographic methods like DES, AES, etc. use restricted key sizes, resulting in low to moderate PSNR values. PSNR is peak signal to noise ratio. Higher PSNR value indicate better image quality with minimal noise. Hashing methods like MD5 are also proposed that just create hashes of the images but doesn't secure them. To address these issues, I have implemented and proposed these seven hybrid encryption algorithms in phase 1. The first hybrid one combines RSA and asymmetric algorithm having private and public key, AES, a symmetric algorithm, and hashing algorithm SHA-256. By the way, this is the paper of my project that I have submitted to International IEEE conference at PSG Tech, which got accepted and I have completed the registration. So let's continue with the working. First, RSA key for sender and receiver is generated, then AES key is generated and is used for first 128 bit of each medical image in the dataset and remaining parts of each image are encrypted using the generated ciphertext from the previous 128-bit block. Simultaneously, hashes of original images are generated using SHA-256. The AES key is then encrypted using sender's RSA public key, transmitted, received, and decrypted using receiver's key. The hash is recalculated for decrypted image and is compared with the original to know whether the image has been tampered or not. ECC works in a similar way but is faster than RSA. AES combo works the same without additional layer for encrypting the AES key. In the combination of DNA cryptography with AES, each medical image is converted into DNA sequence using nucleotides adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine and by applying XOR operations. This sequence is then encrypted using AES without causing distortion in images. The Blowfish and Chaotic Maps algorithm uses chaotic series pixel permutation which alters pixels for encryption and so it affects the image quality. All these seven hybrid encryption algorithms are evaluated using six metrics SSIM, which checks similarity between the original image and decrypted image. I got a score of 1, which means original and the decrypted image are exactly the same. Second is MSE, which is mean square error. For all the algorithms, MSE value is 0, meaning that there is no error in the image. Third is PSNR, which is peak signal to noise ratio, is measured for all the images and all the algorithms gave a score of infinity, which is higher and indicates that no noise is added to the image. Fourth one is entropy score, which measures complexity and strength of security of an algorithm. Higher entropy means better security and complexity. The entropy score for all proposed algorithms is greater than 7, with the max score is observed for DNA cryptography with AES, which indicates that it is difficult to hack than all the other proposed algorithms. Encryption time for each medical image is checked. Chaotic DNA and AES combo takes the least time, which concludes us all to the DNA combo being the best algorithm. But the only drawback is its complexity. If the healthcare organization prioritizes security over all other aspects, then this will be my most recommended algorithm. If speed is prioritized, then Chaotic and Blowfish are best suggested. ECC1 is the best compatible with mobile devices and has good entropy score. The dataset used in the implementation to obtain all these results is 2D CT scan chest images taken from Kaggle and Cancer Imaging Archive. Thank you all. In phase 2, I am extending this work to 2D and 3D anomaly detection with diverse datasets including X-ray, MRI, ultrasound, etc., which will identify the abnormalities present in the image caused by tampering with cyber attacks, and this will help alert the organizations after implementing in real time.